Inside this package is 100 ounces of silver. That's right, last week, or actually about a week and a half ago now, I ordered 100 generic 1 ounce silver rounds, random design. And what that means is that they will send me whatever they have on hand, whatever it is, as long as it's an ounce of silver. So I've done this before and I've gotten just 100 1 ounce buffaloes. And then other times I've gotten some really cool stuff like some vintage Eaglehard rounds, so on and so forth. And I'm hoping today that it's the latter. I'm hoping that we get some really cool designs inside of our package today. So what we're gonna do is open this up and see what's inside and see what kind of silver I got. And if you wanna see what we got as well, make sure you stick with me and watch the video. But really quick, before we do it, go down below, make sure you're subscribed, and also hit that like button and help YouTube recommend this video to others. My channel is sponsored by SDBullion.com. New customers can get their first order of gold or silver at spot by going to SDBullion.com/new. Now, I want to start by being very critical of this packaging because this is pretty bad. I mean, you can feel that there's a box in here and then some padding, and it's really loose. And if this label got torn off, I mean, I guess there's an invoice inside so they would know where to return it, but still, this is not the best way to package these. These should be in a sturdy box, but either way, they're definitely in here. You can hear them bouncing around. Let's go ahead and cut into it and see what we got. All right, I apologize. I had to cut away for a minute because the invoice with payment information and everything was right on top. But inside, you can see, this is what I was talking about with the packaging. You just have, it looks like this is just packing paper that was surrounding the box on the top and the bottom. And then you have one of these long boxes. Now, I've had these long boxes before, and these are great because they literally are made to hold 5 1 ounce silver round tubes. So 100 ounces of silver. And yeah, these are really cool. I actually have had these before and I like keeping these when I do get them. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. There should be 5 1 ounce round tubes in here. And that's exactly what we have. So you can see we have this one right here, and it looks like they have a little bit of toning to them, especially this bottom one. And then you can't really see through these much at all. So we'll do this one first, I guess. I'm really hoping again that these aren't just silver buffaloes, because if they are, I probably won't even edit this video and upload it. I'll probably just delete the footage because it wouldn't be very fun. But I don't know, maybe we'll get lucky. So we got some tape right here. Let's go ahead and cut into it. Nothing here, tape right there. There we go. All right, so it looks like on the top, we have a Morgan silver round. And on the reverse of that, you can see it's just a Morgan. Then it looks like we have an MCM silver round here. Yay! Not really. All right, next up we have a Buffalo. So we got some Buffaloes here. Okay, this one is a Walking Liberty round. 1987 Silver Eagle, actually. Well, Walking Liberty reverse. So really cool. A 1 ounce silver Walking Liberty. And then we have a Prospector. So these are just your generic 1 ounce silver Prospector rounds. And then we got some Buffaloes. Looks like we have some tarnish on some of these. We have a statue or a St. Gaudens generic round as well. So a St. Gaudens gold 20 ounce or $20 coin design. Some more Buffaloes. Buffaloes. Another MCM round. Buffalo. Another MCM round. Buffalo and Buffalo. So definitely some different stuff, but nothing spectacular. This one right here, that's the one that had that design that we couldn't notice. So, or that we noticed through the side of the tube, I should say. All right, let's put that one away and get to the next one. All right, so we'll go ahead and grab this one next. And it looks like we got some tape on there, so we'll cut through the tape. Nothing there. Here we go. All right. Bam. What is this? Oh, there's multiple of them. So this is In Memory of Space Heroes 12886. That was the Challenger disaster. So we lost seven, I guess you can say, astronauts, although this was a teacher. Mick Olaf right here was the teacher. But we definitely lost 7 people that day. McNair, I don't know if she was officially called an astronaut. I know she went through training, but McNair, Onizuka, Resnick, you got Scobie, Smith, Jarvis, and McAuliffe. Again, that was the teacher. This was a very sad day in the history of the U.S. On the reverse, well, we just have a blank reverse with a wreath, and then you can see 999 fine silver, troy ounce, 1 troy ounce down here. And then that looks like a serial number that it looks like it's engraved into it. So GSM, is that Golden State Mint? I don't know, guys. You know more about these, leave a comment down below. We have another one here. I wonder if that's a unique serial number, actually. Wait. Yeah, 2242, 2255. So these are unique serial numbers. Okay. Yeah, 2168. 2233. Is this entire tube these? Yep, 2246. And it looks like that's all the same design too. All with unique serial numbers. Huh. Very cool. So, this is a cool tube of rounds. So we have 20 of these 1 ounce silver Challenger rounds, memory rounds, with unique serial numbers on them. I wonder when these were made. I think GSM is Golden State Mint. Let me know, guys. Leave a comment down below. And let me know if you know anything about these. I'll probably do some research on my own later on. But that is really cool. All right, let's get these put aside. Next up, we have... hopefully not buffaloes. So we've already gotten some buffaloes out of one of these tubes. Okay, so we have a Morgan on top. Yeah, another Morgan silver round. Another Morgan silver round. Are these all Morgans? This might be a full tube of Morgans. Oh, no. Well, yeah. All right, my bad. I was like, well, they might be Morgans, and I thought they weren't, and then they were anyway, because we have these trade unit Morgans. So different reverses, different finish, but Morgan, 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 Morgan. Oh, something different. We have 1886 to 1986 Liberty and Justice round. These are kind of cool. Liberty and Justice. Liberty and Justice. Liberty and Justice. It looks like these were sorted. Liberty and Justice. Maybe maybe people like those as a bonus item. I don't know. Maybe this weekend. We have a generic Morgan. So these were sorted. So we have this design of Morgan, then we have the Liberty and Justice, and then we have these trade unit Morgan. So nothing super special in here. I do like these Liberty and Justice rounds. The rest of these are pretty generic Morgan rounds. They make them not quite as common as you would say Buffaloes are, but Morgan generic, like Morgan design generic rounds are actually quite common. So nothing super special there. Next up, let's see what we have in this tube. Open her up. So that looks like the torch. That's the reverse of a Mercury dime. And yeah, we have ourselves a Mercury dime round. And it looks like we got another one. Yeah, all right, so are these all? It looks like we have 21 ounce silver Mercury dime rounds, which I'm not upset about. These you don't see as often, so these are kind of cool. Yeah, really cool. I like when I get random stuff like this because, you know, I do the stacker boxes that I've talked about through my site, and, you know, people tend to like the varying designs, which is why I order random designs and not just Buffalo, so I can get cool stuff like this and mix up the boxes as much as I can. So those are really cool. So we have 21 ounce silver Mercury dime rounds. Get those back in the tube. It looks like we only have a tube left, guys. Holy smokes. Getting through this pretty quick. Open up the tape. No tape. Tape here. Bam. And, all right, so we have a bust round. So this is a silver bust round. So this basically has the same design as the flowing hair, except for this one shows the lady's bust. So the flowing hair design cuts off basically at the neck, but the hair design looks, it's not identical, but it looks really close to the same. And then on the reverse, yeah, very nice. You got the eagle and the stars. This is a beautiful design. Then we have this one here as well. So a little bit different of a design on that one than you would see from your typical bust design. You can see that is very nice. And then we got another bust. And this one here, we have Symbol of Freedom, 1886 to 1986. So is that the 100-year anniversary of the Statue of Liberty? Let me know in the comments down below. And let's pour them out. So we have more bust, 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 Morgan. So we have another Morgan round. Morgan, 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 bust, 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 and another one of these Symbol of Freedoms. So there you go, guys. That is 100 1 ounce silver rounds. And very, very cool. We'll get these back into the tube. I did get some buffaloes, but I like that mostly it was not buffaloes and it was just a mixture of other generic designs. There's nothing in here really super special except for, where are they? The space ones. These I really have to look up. These actually may even carry a premium that I'm not aware of. I've never seen these before until today. If you guys know anything about these, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll look through your comments, but also I'm going to do my own research and see what I can find on these. I like that they all have unique serial numbers. That's really cool. We got a full tube of those. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Did you like this unboxing? You want to see more when I do it again? Because I'm sure I will in the future. Guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.